Hello my loves, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your very first time here, my name is Rethabile, but I'm known as Rethabz. So in today's video we are going to create this amazing bridal look, and I just hope that you are going to enjoy creating this look with me as much as I've enjoyed creating it. So, and if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe, like, and click the bell button to be notified every time when my videos goes out. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into this tutorial.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
Okay my loves, we are going to first start with the eyes, and I am going to prime my eyes using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn to prime my eyelids before applying any eyeshadow. So this concealer is basically acting as my eyeshadow primer. So you just have to make sure that you blend your eyeshadow base with the concealer that you have used to define your eyebrows. So before my eyeshadow base start to crease, I am going to set it using the Revlon Photo Ready Candid setting powder, and I am in the shade number 2. So I do believe that the bride has to look like a bride, but her makeup has to be a little bit minimal. So what I am trying to say is that her makeup has to go on the side of the nude like. So hence today I am going to use the eyeshadow shades that are a little bit on the neutral side, instead of having harsh colors like pink, red, or yellow, you know. So that's basically my own opinion when it comes to the bridal look. So today I am just going to use 2 shades to create this bridal makeup look. So the first shade that I am going to use is this shade. It looks like a dark purple, but I'm sure on the camera it's going to look like it's dark brown, but it's a very dark purple. So that's the one I am going to use. Please don't mind my brushes, I forgot to wash my brushes. So I am just going to apply this shade on my outer V using this small blending brush. So what I am basically doing, I am just tapping the shade on my outer V. So with the excess product on the brush, I'm just going to drag this shade on the crease, just on top of the crease, using circular motions. So I am going to use this clean blending brush just to blend out this shade in a circular motion. So I was thinking of cutting the crease, but let me not cut it. So the second shade that I am going to use, I am going to use this shimmery nude shade. This shade here, and I'm just going to use my pinky finger just to apply this shade, because I find that always when I use my fingers instead of the brushes, I am getting more pigment compared to using only just a flat brush. So now that my pinky finger cannot go into some of the areas, that's when I am going to use a flat brush to go into the areas that do not have this eyeshadow. So now I'm just using the very same brush I have used to apply this darker shade, just to blend the two shades together. I'm just using an excess product. I am loving the look so far, but I'm thinking of adding a little bit some of a glitter, just to have that bling bling on the eyes, you know. So the glitter that I am going to use is this pink one here, it's nude or light pink, or you can call it light pink. Here, glitter. I'm not going to use too much, and I am going to use a eyelash glue to apply it so that it can stay on one place without it moving. So I'm just going to apply it between these two shades here. Woo. That's what I am talking about. That's what I am talking about. It's giving, so giving. So the glitter is doing the things that needs to be done. So let's just move, because I am very excited of finishing this look. So I'm now going to apply a primer, my all-time favorite so far. So the primer that I am going to use is the Rimmel London Fix and Protect primer. So for me, I feel like this primer is the right one for a bride, because you find that some of the brides, more especially where I come from, like they dance around on the sun, you know, go like spend most of the time on the sun dancing and whatsoever. So as this primer has an SPF, it's going to act as a sunscreen, if that makes sense. So hence I'm saying this primer is the right, I feel like is the perfect one for the bride. Or even if it's not this primer, just any primer that has an SPF in it is the perfect one for the bride. I always find it difficult to apply this primer, more especially on my forehead, since it's giving this white thing. So the foundation that I am going to use is this Fit Me Maybelline New York foundation, which is 344 Home Ginger. This is the one that I am just going to use, and I always make sure that I shake my foundation before applying it. And as always, I am just going to build it in. So I'm going to use my foundation brush to apply it, and I'm going to go in with a beauty blender. So what I am basically doing, I am just tapping the product instead of dragging in. It helps me a lot when I tap it, Since well I'm having a little bit of dark marks, like dark spots, so if I drag it, you find that after applying the foundation, my dark spots are still visible, of which we don't want them to be visible after applying foundation. Like, what is that? You apply foundation, then we still see your dark spots. No, come on girl, you have to do something about it. Highlight, I am going to use two concealers. The first one is going to be the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade 4, and the other one I am going to use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, is in the shade 35. So I'm just going to first start with the LA Girl one. So I'm first going to blend this concealer with this flat brush. Then I'm going to go in with the beauty blender. So I am going to set my concealer using the Revlon Candid Photo Ready setting powder. I'm going to set in all the areas that I have highlighted. I'm going to contour using this shade in Any Lady palette, and I'm going to use this one as my blush. So to blend everything together, I am going to use this Rimmel Lasting Finish Long Wear Pressed Powder, and I am in the shade Almond, which is number 7. So I am just going to use a powder brush just to blend all the harsh lines together. So now I am moving back to the eyes, and I am going to do a small wing liner. I'm using this signature liquid eyeliner, which is a black one. And on my lower lashes, I am going to use this cream black eyeliner, and I am going to use it with this one as well. I love to use the two of them. So while I'm still waiting for my lashes to become sticky, I am going to set my makeup using the Signature Fix Perfect Matte setting spray. It is very important to use a setting spray because it holds the makeup. So now I am going to use a powder highlighter just to highlight, and the one that I am going to use is my all-time favorite from Gosh, and this is the shade that I am basically just gonna use. So I'm just going to use a small brush and a highlighter brush or highlighting brush, whatever. So now that I am done with my lashes, I am going to apply mascara. on my lower lashes. So I am really loving the look. Is exactly how I expected it to be. So now I am moving to the lips. So for a bridal look, I believe that the lips have to be at least nude, pinkish, just nothing too much, or nothing too much. So I am going to use a brown eyeliner and this Rimmel London lip color, which is number 100, which is Pink Bliss. I'm not sure if I am going to use lip gloss or not, but I'll just see. But now I am loving lip gloss on top of my lipstick. I am really loving it. So I am using a gel eyeliner and I love to overline my lips. Alright my loves, this is the result of today's tutorial and I just hope that you have enjoyed creating this amazing bridal look with me, because I really did enjoy it and I am very grateful for this results. Like guys, this is so amazing. Like I'm so grateful that it turned out like this. And if you did not have any idea on what shades to apply on your bride, or as a bride you did not have any idea on which shades to apply on your big day, this is the best tutorial for you. You found it the greatest solution. So, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment down below. Now we are on 550 subscribers. Thank you to each and every person who have subscribed to my channel. I am very grateful. Now the road is on 1K subs, but we will get there. Perseverance, patience and consistency is what got us to 550 subs. So this is the end of our tutorial and I will see you on my next video very soon. Goodbye.